Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth not working on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting and click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. Here showing you Bluetooth app. So for example, this is Bluetooth app. Click on storage and usage and clear cache Bluetooth app. After click cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset network settings. Click on reset and scroll down to and click on backup and system and update and click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.